Albert Malone.
Charles Miller, I'm from Lebanon, Tennessee.
My name is Brent DeSaint. I'm from Wilmington, Vermont.
I'm Kyle. I'm from Derry, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Johnson. I'm from East Meadow, New York.
My name is Natalia and I'm from Brooklyn, New York.
I'm Jimmy Glidden from Newcastle, PA.
My name is Randy Condon. I'm from Altoona, Pennsylvania.
I'm Dennis St. Dennis. I'm from Elizabethtown, New York. I own and operate St. D Mobile Car Wash and Detailing.
I been a fan of Detail King since 2009 and buying products, and saw the ceramic coating come up and heard a lot about it, and I decided to buy a bottle of it and try it out. And I tried it on my car, and then I decided to come to class and further my education on the ceramic coating.
I wanted to learn how to properly apply ceramic coating to vehicles at my detail shop.
I decided to attend because I hadn't heard of ceramic coatings until I took the 3-day craftsman course last year. So I did a lot of research and was very excited to learn about the new technology, and it seems to be the best. So I want to bring the best to my area.
So I can get a better understanding of the ceramic coating products and how the process works.
I have a couple of customers who want, ceramic coating, and it's a big thing right now in the industry, so I wanted to get the training to help everyone out.
Well, a friend told me that there is a certification available, and I decided that it would be a good way to pretty much do something new.
To boost my business a little bit more to the edge, and just for personal use also.
I recently retired after 31 years of owning an auto repair business, and detailing has always been something I enjoyed doing, so I came to learn how to do it myself.
Well, I attended earlier in the year. I attended and set up a mobile wash and detail and got through all my training here and looked further into what else I could do to expand my business. And ceramic coating, it seems to be the thing that's going, and I want to improve on my business, and that's why I'm here.
It can cause me to have to hire less people and make more on less. I believe in customer satisfaction. I believe that they'll be pleased with knowing that they got something to protect their cars. Yeah.
It's going to increase the amount of business I do, and it'll help my business grow. And ceramics, it's the next thing. I do a lot of sealants, and this is the next level, and I think it's going to be good for the business.
Just going to add another level for my customers. I'm educating everybody there because nobody's ever heard of ceramic coating as far as paint is concerned. Every time I bring up ceramic coatings, they liken it to exhaust coatings. So, this is something that will be a really good value for my customers in my area.
I think it can really up sales and make us really, out there more. It's a great product and things like that.
It could definitely enhance the business, bring in more profits, make my customers happy, and all in all, it's a good thing.
Well, it will definitely improve my business, get me more clientele, and it will help me take more care of my customers, to help them out with their cars and make sure that they're in good condition.
I absolutely do think so. I've been doing a lot of research on ceramic coating, and it's a really awesome product, and definitely excited to use it.
Well, it might be a side business. I might open up another business, or just do something on the side, or just my own vehicles. It's just that this way I know it's done and done right, and I've done buffing and stuff before, but that was 30 years ago, and I know a lot of things have changed.
Where my location is, being in upstate New York, there's a lot of salt and sand issues in the winter, and it'll help a lot of the vehicles up there knock off a lot of the snow and salt that accumulates during the winter in your normal cars.
I thought today's class was awesome. I learned a ton about the ceramic coating process and the science behind it.
I've watched people do it before, but I honestly never thought the process before applying the ceramic coating was so tedious, the buffing and everything. But now I see how it works and everything, and it's awesome. I can't wait to see the final product of my own car, actually, and many more to do.
The process is easier than I thought. I was doing it and I learned a lot better technique of how to apply it without leaving the high spots.
No, it was great. I learned a lot about the technology behind the ceramic coating and the way to apply it. It's a lot easier than I thought it was. There's definitely some finessing that needs to be done, and you got to pay special attention. But man, I feel confident about doing it now. You know, it was voodoo magic before, but now everything just makes sense, and the final product is really amazing. I can't wait to see it months and months down the road. So yeah, very cool, very informative.